If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. It really helps out. Let's jump right into how to download YouTube videos. There are a couple of ways to do this, and I'll walk you through them step by step. First, I'll show you how to download your own uploaded YouTube videos. To do this, start by heading to YouTube Studio. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of YouTube, then select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Content. Here, you'll see all your uploaded videos. Hover your mouse over the video you want to download. Let's say it's the first one here. You'll notice 3 dots appear on the right side. Click those dots to open the Options menu, then select Download. Your video will start downloading immediately, and you can check your browser's download folder to find it. Super simple. Now, if you want to download someone else's YouTube video, the process is a little different. You'll need YouTube Premium for this. Let me show you how it works. First, find the video you want to download. I'll pick this one here. Scroll down below the video player, and you'll see a download button. Click it. If you're not already a YouTube Premium member, you'll be prompted to start a free trial or subscribe. Once you're subscribed, clicking download will save the video directly to your device. You can even track the download progress in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once it's done, you can watch the video offline anytime. Perfect for travel or spotty internet. And that's it. Whether it's your own content or a video you love from another creator, downloading is quick and easy. If this tutorial helped you out, give the video a like, subscribe for more tips, and happy downloading.